Okay. So mostly the exist students they're trained on PostgreSQL DBA platform. So they are from basic converts like Linux SQL, PL SQL, then DBA PostgreSQL DBA and the cloud also. So they are well trained on PostgreSQL DBA platform, and so for them just we are trying to give as a secondary skill for Oracle DBA. Just we are starting, and most of the guys nowadays, okay. So due to this layoff, many guys they lost the job, and who are not able to pay much amount. So that's why we arranged this demo for outside people also. So very less fees, 6,000. So that is my intention. So that's it from my side. So I am also working somewhere, but okay. So as part of just daily 1 hour session, we are taking that this training, and this especially this Oracle DBA this batch weekly we are planning to take 4 sessions only. That is weekend, Saturday Sunday, and weekdays also 2 days we are taking planning. So totally Sunday to Saturday we are planning to take 4 sessions only. So who are interested to for these 4 sessions, okay, we will continue this course. Okay, so mostly the duration will be it will take more than 2 months. We are not sure because okay, so we are not taking regular sessions, so we are taking only randomly. So weekly, uh, exactly 3 days. Okay, so planning to 4 days. So that is my plan. Okay, so for any DBA, so all are working DBA guys. So any DBA job. Okay, so we need from basic. Okay, so Linux. There are 50 to 60 commands are there. So we have to familiar with these 50 to 60 commands. So how the Linux installation, and how to copy the files, how to copy the directories, how to remove the files, remove the directories, like some basic commands, how to create the users, add the groups, remove the users, remove the groups. These are all the things we can cover in the Linux part. Okay. So and come to SQL language. So this is the common language for any database. That is a structured language. So SQL it takes 30 days duration. So the extension of SQL, there is a PL SQL is there. So procedure language SQL. So PL SQL it takes 1 week. So total it's 40 days. It takes for both SQL and PL SQL. These two are the common prerequisites before getting the DBA course. Even if you don't know anything, so your background, okay, if you are from non-IT background, either mechanical, civil, whatever it may be, if you are graduation, okay, so you are ready to take any DBA course. So the first prerequisite is the Linux platform. Most of the database are running on Linux platform except MS SQL. So only MS SQL is running on Windows platform. So other than MS SQL, most of the database are running on Linux platform. So that's why we have to familiar with these Linux commands. Then SQL language. This is the common language for all the databases. So we'll take the training SQL, PL, SQL. So the exist students, they already completed this Linux and the SQL. So few of the guys, they completed a DB also. Okay, so then, so DBA course. So which you can, after complete these two prerequisites, you can start any DBA course. That could be Oracle DBA, that could be PostgreSQL DBA. So whatever, MySQL DBA, MS SQL DBA, whatever. So any DBA course, these two are the common prerequisites. Okay, so regularly we are taking the PostgreSQL DBA batch. Okay, but this is for Oracle Core DBA batch. Okay, Oracle Core DBA. So in case of Oracle, so what are the topics we are going to cover? So you can see, so the Oracle architecture. So there is a two types of architecture is there any database. There is a memory based architecture and a process based architecture. So we'll discuss all the memory areas and the background process, all the things. And come to installation and the configuration part. So what are the installation types and how to configure the database, and how to start and stop, how to connect the database via putty or mobile extra. Then user management. So these topics are common most of the databases. Any DBA, the roles and responsibility most all are roles and responsibility same. but the way of commands is different. Suppose in case of Postgres SQL, how to take the backup, there are some different utilities there. In case of Oracle, here utility is different. The purpose of taking the backup same, the functionality is same. User management, any database, the concept is same. Why we are working on user management? So application users, they want to access the database, so we have to create the users, how to create the users, how to create the groups, how to assign the roles, we have to how to give the read-only access, read-write access, how to verify the permissions. These are all the things we'll discuss in this part. That is user management. Under tables management, so table space, there is a logical entity. So how to create the table space, how to add the data files in Oracle. In Postgres, there is no concept to add the data files. Here, there is a concept we have to add the data files to table space. Each data file it takes 32 GB. That is the data file size, maximum size. If the data files is filled, so it's required another data file to get to occupy the space. So we have to add the data file. These are all the things we'll discuss here. Then backup restore. So any database, there is a two types of backups are there. That is a logical backup and physical backup. Logical backup, we are using these two are the utilities, EXPDB, IMPDB. So EXPDB, we are taking the export. For taking the backup, we are using this is the utility. For import, import means a restore. If you want to restore that backup, we have to use IMPDB utility. Okay, so how to take the schema level backup, table level, and database level. These are all the things we'll discuss. Under physical backup means here we are using RMAN utility, recovery manager. So how to take the physical backup using RMAN. So we'll discuss in this part. Next, ASM. So before ASM, the data is stored in the form of file system. Okay, in Oracle only there is a another storage is there, that is ASM, automatic storage management. There we can create the disk groups. Inside the disk group we have to add the disk. So nowadays mostly 50% databases running on ASM platform, ASM storage. So the rest all are small database, small projects. They are running a file system. So then data guard. So this is for to configure the replication. So to configure the changes from one server to other server. So in Postgres we are using streaming replication. In Oracle we are using data guard. There is a primary server and a standby server. So whatever the changes happening in the primary, it's automatically replicating to standby. If due to any reason standby goes down, so whatever primary standby, so the other server it become as a primary and able to access the database. Okay, to provide high availability, we are implementing data guard concept, switch over and failover. Then patching. So Oracle, okay, in Postgres patching means, okay, we are that is the upgrade activity. So there is a minor patching means minor upgrade. Suppose in Postgres, we are if you want to Postgres 10.1 to 10.3. If you want to upgrade the database, Postgres database 10.1 to 10.4. That means this is the actual minor version upgrade. Minor version upgrade. But in case of Oracle, patching means different. There is a security patches every quarter. Every quarter, Oracle releases security patches. So those patches you have to download from Oracle website. You have to apply the patches. That's for security patches. So that how to download the patches, how to apply the patches, we'll discuss in this part. Next, upgrade. So upgrade same Postgres database. If you want to upgrade 10 to 11, 10 to 12, whatever how we are doing upgrade, the concept is same. But here how to do upgrade we'll see. So 12C to 19C, 12C to 18C, whatever. So that is the upgrade part. So these are the topics we are going to discuss. Okay, so this is the core DBA concept. Okay, so that's about course content. Anyone, any queries from anyone as of now?
Yeah, Venkat, I have few queries.
Go ahead.
So, will you be the host for this entire course?
Sorry, come on, come
Will
again.
you be the host for this entire course? I mean, you will be teaching us the Oracle?
Yeah, yes, it's me only. Yes.
Okay. So, I want to understand. Industry is a is a, I mean, what do we call? It's a training
It's a
group. I mean,
personal training institute,
where is this located? Is
Kukutpalli.
it located physically?
Yes,
Okay. Can I come down?
means you are working, right? This is
Yeah,
online
I'm
classes
working.
only. You are working or you are not working?
Yeah, I'm working. If I just wanted to come and practice lab, so will
Means you
that be
are working
possible?
means you don't have time, right?
That's fine. I'll take some time. I'll just visit once. Is that okay?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yes.
And then when we are starting these courses,
Actually, today demo, tomorrow we'll start the installation part.
okay,
So
tomorrow only we are
weekly
going
only
to
four
start.
days, four sessions only. That is okay for you?
Yeah, that is what I'm much interested because I am in a morning shift, so evening it's possible for me. That is the reason I have joined this session.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Good.
I'm free at evenings only. And one last question. I have
Just of
a
the thing is the lab is available only freshers only. So
okay,
okay, if you have any
okay,
doubt, okay, we'll clarify in the online itself.
okay.
No
Thank
doubt, the everything okay. So the I think you heard Bindusri Technologies PostgreSQL DB how they are maintaining standards. The same way we are maintaining for Oracle DB also. The
Yeah,
everything
but I
okay.
haven't tried PostgreSQL also. I am new to the industry.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. So maybe okay. Now many guys trained in PostgreSQL DB or Bindusri or institute. Okay.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good to know. And then after this course, will you be providing us any material?
Yeah, yes. Every day we'll provide the material with the notepad file. Every day, whatever the topics we discuss, theory points and practical session. So we'll share the notepad file there, step one, step two. The input and output commands are there. So by seeing that, you can practice. If you have any queries, there is a group is there. There you can ping. So someone will reply. If no one reply, okay, then I will reply you.
Then you will also be sharing these recorded sessions with us, right?
Yes, but it's read-only access only.
Okay, fine. That's okay.
Yeah. Any other queries from anyone?
Yeah, and last question.
Yeah, go
What is
ahead.
the difference between Core DBA and Oracle DBA? Just what is the
There is
difference
no,
of
okay.
both?
So in Oracle, there are many components out there. So this is for Oracle Core DBA. What are the topics we discussed? That is Oracle Core DBA. Okay. So there is a rack concept is there. A real application cluster. Means in case of Core DBA, we have only one server is there. One instance is there. One server, one instance. In case of rack, a real application cluster. Let me open page. Okay. So see here. So this is my, okay. Let me, this is my database. Okay. So this is my application server. So users connected to, so from here, so this is called as a instance. Means what the database, the data will be stored in the form of data files. This is the storage. In the form of data files, my data will be stored. Whenever user connected to the instance, they given a Celestar from EMP. So first it's looking into memory. Is there any employee table data is available here? So just now started my Linux mission, my database server. So memory, it's clean. It doesn't have anything. So the data will be permanently saved in the disk level here. So it's fetch the data from data files, load the data into memory, then display the terminal. So select star from EMP, user get the output. So this is called instance. This is called instance. Here, this is the my database server backend. The data will be stored in the form of data files. So in this is for Core DBA. If you tried Core DBA, so this concept of architecture you can work, you're able to work on it. Suppose if you take a rack, real application cluster. Let me here RAS rack real application cluster. So the database server is same. Database data is stored in the form of data files only. Okay, so this is data files. So here, this is my one instance. This is my other server, second instance. So this is for, okay, server one or node one. This is for server two, node two. So this is the common database. So the both instances are accessing same database, common database. So from here, user, if you connect this node, from here, it's accessing the same database and give the output. Few of the users connected to this instance access the same database, display the terminal. So why we are implementing rack concept means suppose due to any reason, this my instance is goes down, my server is goes down. Users cannot able to access the data. If you implement a rack concept, if it is goes down this server, yes, still my other server is there. Users can connect to via this node, can access the data. This is to provide a high availability to users. Suppose there is a business, okay, at any cost, I cannot go down my application. Suppose you take Flipkart banking domain, net banking application. If it is goes down 3 hours, 4 hours, no one using next time. They shift it to other bank. So such type of applications they are using rack concept. So that is okay. If you know this core DBA, okay. So then after you have to train on rack the separate course. So that's why we clearly mentioned this is Oracle Core DBA. What are the standard the demo whatever we giving information, the same information we entire the course completion of course we are maintaining the same standards. These are the topics we are going to cover in this time. Yeah, did you understand?
Yeah, I understand it. Core DBA is just a starting step. Then advanced you can learn. We can learn rack.
Yes, but
I
okay,
got it.
any project rack is there means it's not, we are not sure. It depends on the, okay, depends on the based on the project, based on the application.
So there is no difference between Oracle DBA and Oracle Core DBA. Both are
No,
same
both are
domain.
same. Oracle DBA means okay. So people they're thinking okay, it's everything rack and core DBA. Especially okay. So suppose the requirement is there, we need only core DBA engineer. That's fine. There is no rack. It's not required rack skill. Suppose if they need a rack and core DBA, they mention who are knowledge rack and core DBA. So those engineers we need like that. The requirement also they mentioned in the Naukri or LinkedIn.
Other than Oracle Core DBA and Rack DBA, are there any other
There
specifications
is
in
no,
Oracle?
no. There is ASM, that is a small storage level. Okay, so initially there is a file system storage. So next ASM, that's it. Only core DB and rack, that's it. There is a GCC there, Golden Gate, Golden Gate. People call it as GCC, Golden Gate. That means cross-platform. If you want to replicate the data from Oracle to MySQL, then you can use this replication tool GCC, Golden Gate. So that is a separate course, separate jobs also, job opportunities. So Oracle DBA means, okay, if they especially they called Oracle Core DBA, this course is fine. If they required including rack also, so after Core DBA, we have to learn rack also.
I hope you're Rack DBA, right?
Sorry?
I hope you're Rack
Yeah,
DBA.
yes, but we are not teaching rack. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
because,
Teaching is
yeah.
fine. I'm just asking.
Yeah, yes, yes. Everywhere, okay. Mostly, okay. So suppose if nowadays we have all the database, right? So small database, few of the application they have only core DBA, few of the application rack is there. That's fine. After core DBA, okay, if you enter into Oracle DBA project, you can manage after 5 to 6 months rack also. That's not a, but you are good familiar with this core DBA, then we can manage it little bit. After 5 to 6 months, we can work on rack also. Any
Okay.
queries from anyone?
Thanks, Venkat.
Yeah, good. Welcome. Any other queries from anyone? Sai, Samir, Shiva Kumar. Okay, so that is the agenda for Oracle Core DBA training. Okay, so let me go some PPT. Okay, let's see. So any database, what is the purpose of database? Just it's a database. It's a kind of software. Just we can store and retrieve the data. That's it. Why we are using Oracle database? Just to, we need to store some data. Whenever we require, just we want to retrieve the data. That's it. The Oracle DB also is kind of software. which we can use to store and retrieve the data. Let me, okay, just we'll go through this PPT. So you can say, so this Oracle database is also one of the RDBMS product. It's a relational database management system for all the databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle. These all are we call as a RDBMS products. Means all the database should support SQL language. So Oracle also, it's a kind of RDMS product. So simply, it's called as Oracle DBA or Oracle. Okay. So who developed this Oracle database? Oracle organization, Oracle corporation. There is a Oracle IT software company is there. All are knows, I think. So the Oracle company, they developed this database. They they started marketing this product some license cost. It's not a open source product. It's not a open source. It's not available free of cost. Oracle DB is an enterprise product. It's not a open source product. PostgreSQL, if you take PostgreSQL, it's available both the versions. Community version is there. Community version means open source platform. If you want to utilize without license, yes, you can go and use PostgreSQL. That's why nowadays more opportunity is there. PostgreSQL DBAs. If you want to take the license, PostgreSQL DBA, yes, available. EDB. EDB providing license database, enterprise database. So in case of Oracle, we don't have open source database. Means without license, we cannot use this database for any project. Make sure if you want to go with Oracle DB, you have to take the license. The license will be based on the CPU course. Okay, in the Oracle website, they give the license details. Based on the system CPU course, they charge. So who developed, who implemented this Oracle database? There is a Lawrence Ellison. Can say. So is the Oracle database author who developed 1977. In the year 1977, they found this Oracle database with the help of engineers. So they maintaining this is the Oracle database. So it's one of the powerful database. If you want to store how much database, it's a petabytes, whatever. It's a huge database, huge applications also backend it can manage Oracle database. From 1977 onwards, the Oracle database is there. That's why the Oracle database competition also there is a huge competition in outside. But still, main banking domains, main majority applications, the big projects they are using Oracle database only. But Oracle Corporation, they are charging license cost is too high. Before 5 years, 6 years, if you go any project, they are using Oracle database only. Last 5 years onwards, the trend has changed. There are many databases, they added many enhances, they added many features, started using other database also. Example, PostgreSQL DBA, MySQL, MSSQL. So what are the features available Oracle DB? The other database also, they are thinking, okay, what are the features there Oracle? Why we need to add our databases? So they added all the features, what are features there Oracle, added into PostgreSQL DBA. That's why nowadays, if you go any project, all the database are there. Oracle DBs are there, MySQL DBs are there, MSSQL is there, MongoDB is there, PostgreSQL DB is there. Minimum 5 databases there if you go any project. So last 5 years onwards, due to this high license cost for Oracle, few of the clients they are thinking the same features available Oracle and PostgreSQL. Why we need to pay too much cost for Oracle? So that's why they are migrating from Oracle to PostgreSQL. But still, few of the clients, trusted clients, they are using Oracle database. Without Oracle database, we don't have a project. Even still, some projects are there without other database, Oracle DB, only Oracle DB they are using. 50 to 60% engineers, they upgraded PostgreSQL DB. Almost 300 engineers, they trained in our place only. Last 4 years onwards. They are all are professionals, leads, managers. Okay. So This is the first database they designed for enterprise grade computing. So suppose there is a data warehouse applications are there. Online OLTP and OLAP. Online transactional processing. OLTP. For OLTP, it's Oracle database is the best database to suitable for online transaction. How much data is coming to application? Yes, we can manage using Oracle database backend. So you can say these are the features. We can install Oracle for any platform, either Linux, Windows, Mac OS, whatever the application, whatever the operating system, easily we can install Oracle database software. But mostly Oracle database is running on Linux platform only. Windows I never seen. Very rare case. Okay. So from in the year 1990 year onwards, Oracle it started supporting for open platform also. Linux, Ubuntu is there. For Ubuntu, no one using for Oracle database backend operating system. They should use Oracle Linux or RHL. These two are the best operating systems to manage the Oracle database. I never seen Ubuntu for Oracle. Yes, PostgreSQL backend I can manage Ubuntu. Okay, so this is the history of Oracle database. So what are the editions of for Oracle database? There are different editions are there. Based on the editions, the license cost will be available. Enterprise edition. This is the main powerful edition, powerful database. So this database, if you take enterprise edition, the license cost is too high, but it's giving all the features. All the features out of the things you can able to do that with this database, with this edition, enterprise edition. Standard edition, it provides the base functionality for users. It's not giving all the features. Express edition, XE, nowadays no one using XE, Oracle Lite Personal Edition. The first two editions, mostly enterprise edition is there, standard edition. If it is a Dow, okay, Dow environment, development, they are using standard. Enterprise edition, mostly production non pre-product. They are using enterprise edition of Postgres Oracle database. So these are the four kind of standards editions. First two in real time they are using either enterprise edition or standard edition. So when you log into database, you come to know Oracle Enterprise Edition or Oracle Standard Edition. Okay. So who developed this Oracle database? Oracle Corporation. So Oracle organization, it manages many products, not only Oracle database. It's managed Linux operating system, Oracle Linux. It manages Java. It manages MS SQL. There are different products, there are different applications they developed. They marketing these all the products. So what are the versions available? So Oracle database, the latest version is 23 AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. The latest version number is 23 AI. Before 23 AI, 21C. C means cloud. Before 21C, 19C. Cloud. 18C. 12C. R2 means release 2. 12C release 1. Before 11G release 2. G means grid. 11G R1 release 1. 10G R1. So this is the first version Oracle V2. Version V3. So the latest version is 23A. Before that 21C. Now all the database they are using 19C only. Few of the projects maybe. So 19C is the standard version. After 12C directly they are upgrading to 19C. It's a stable version 19C. Next planning to upgrade 23AI. So we are going through this 19C database, this version only. Okay. So AI means artificial intelligence. There are some features. They are it's intelligence. It's automatically capable. It's automatically do that. Artificial intelligence. They added some features. Okay. Some what are the things they can do automatically without manual interaction. So that's why they give name is AI. 21C cloud, 19C, 18C, 12C release 2, release 1 like this. They release these are the versions. Okay, so we'll see. So If you want to know, so what are the version number, everything, if just go through this link. So you can see here Oracle database version initial release. So when it was released 23.4.0, 23 AI means exact version number 23.4.0. It was released May 2nd, 2024. These are the features. Next 21.1.0, 21C, simple 21C means exact version number. This is the version. When it was released December 2020. 19C, 19C means 19.1.0. When it was released, this is the month and date. Like this, just go through this. Okay, this is the about Oracle database versions. Okay, so that's it today. Okay, so let's see tomorrow.